I read your document
Okay.
that you previously filed in India, and
Okay.
we can file a parent application over that document. So you already discussed, like you need to start. We need to start first filing your previously filed document in India, and then we will start
Okay.
the next parent application. So we
Okay.
can move forward.
Okay. So anyway, I will show you the uh, actually the uh, file which I am having. So then you'll be able to see this is the file, the complete spec,
Fine.
field of invention. Can you
I
see this?
already seen. I already seen from the parent office website.
Ah, okay, okay, okay. So now the thing is, wait. Okay. Now the thing is, uh, will it be fine with this document to proceed with?
Yes, sure, no
Because
problem.
no problem.
Yes, no
So,
problem. Because
uh,
you already filed this parent application in India, and if you are going to file a
yes.
BIPO parent application, so you cannot modify the
Okay.
document. So whatever the document
Okay.
you have filed, we cannot modify the
Okay.
document now. So that's why there
Okay.
is no like chance to add any new matter into this parent application. For as far as the still parent is concerned, if you want to modify the document, then we can modify the document and we can find Australia.
Okay. So the point which I told about modification means if
Yes,
we modify it as a different patent, not the same one,
yes,
we make a little modification with some drawings and all, so that will be published in Australia. So the idea is we will be having one application in India already published, which will be filed in WIPO, and the modified version will be sent in
filed in
Australia.
Australia. Yes, sure.
So this is the point. So the point the why, because we will get the or we can enjoy the two patents at the same time.
Two patent app.
You
Yes,
got
yes,
my
sure.
point?
Sure.
But the
Yes,
problem
yeah,
here
I
is,
got your
as
point,
you
and we can do this.
okay, but the point here is, as you mentioned, for drafting a new application, the cost of the application drafting is 15,000, right?
Yes, yes.
So if we do with the modification, how much will be your cost? This is the point.
So it depends on how much modification you are proposing. Getting, if you are trying to add only one, two paragraph or single feature, so then we can modify the parent application within your range that you told me
Okay.
5,000 rupees. You can provide us to modify. So we have to check
Yes.
what modification you are proposing.
Okay. Okay. So based on that, you will try to incorporate, is there any chance for further modification?
Yes,
If there is a
yes,
chance, we will go with the modified version in
yes,
Australia. And if there is no chance, we will go with the same one in Australia.
yes. We will update you what we can do. We will suggest you what we can do. Either we can modify, either we can modify a little bit, or we cannot modify. So whatever the modification you require, please send to us, and accordingly we will suggest you what we can do.
Okay, okay. So that means I have to suggest the title and the scope, and if there is any deviation like artificial intelligence, or if it is a blockchain based one. Likewise, I have to tell the idea which we are going to, the framework which we are going to propose.
Yes. So
Right? Okay.
what we will do? We already have your Indian parent application. We can get the
Okay.
document from the parent office website, right?
Okay.
So you can just send me one paragraph or whatever the modification you require into your parent application. You can
Okay.
send me only that part. So I will review that part, and we will try to incorporate that part as minimum as possible in wording, as minimum as possible, so that the
Okay.
structure of the Indian parent application and the like the format and everything, like so that no if a Australian parent office review the parent application, they did not feel like the parent application is modified, but it is modified.
That means before sending it to Australia, we have to inform the Indian Patent Office, I think. We have to
We have
inform
to
them
actually,
this is going to be
not the
sent
Indian
to.
Patent Office, not the Indian Patent Office. We have to inform the Australian Patent Office whether this we already filed this patent application in India,
Okay.
and we are filing the same patent application in Australia. So this is the way.
Okay.
If we are interested to show our Indian patent application to the Australian government, if we are interested.
Okay.
If we are not
Okay.
interested to show the Indian patent application to the Australian government, then we can modify and we can file whatever we want.
Okay. That means it will be safe to go with the new one, I think.
And both are the same. Both are the same. If we are actually, it is more safer than if we are filing same parent application. It is more safer.
Exactly.
Because
So
we
if
already file in India.
okay. So the only
they will
difference
not,
will
yeah.
So the
only we will incorporate one difference, one paragraph into the same parent application.
Okay. So the only difference will be if you go with the new application, the additional cost will be 15,000 for drafting. If you go with the old one, there will be 30 plus 20
5,000
or 25, right?
Yes.
WIPO for 25 and 30 for
25,
Australia.
30 for
So no
Australia.
other.
We are talking about innovation patent application, right? I think you already aware about this.
Yes. Innovation patent. This is what is it is open until August 29 or
Yes.
something like
Yes.
that.
Yes.
And after that, there will be new rules for the innovation.
Yes. New rules will come out. Yes.
It will be more stricter than at present.
Right. Definitely.
Okay. So now coming to the cost of the total cost. So what I am going to do is now we will start with the WIPO. Okay,
Yes.
the old one WIPO. So for WIPO, you told it will be 25,000.
Yes.
So how much I have to pay upfront to proceed with filing the WIPO? After that, I will pay.
Generally, we charge complete amount before filing a parent application. But
Okay.
you told me only 1 day difference. Initially, 50% you can pay
Yes.
before filing, and you told me on the same day when you receive the filing number, you can pay
Yes.
rest of the 50 amount. So 50% amount. So
Okay.
in
So
this
after
way, we don't have any problem.
okay. So after finishing the WIPO, we will go with the Australian one. The same way.
Yeah.
50% upfront, and immediately after getting the file number, we will pay the remaining. So then you have to follow for getting it granted.
Yes.
This is the main thing.
Yes.
Okay. So anyway, today I will send. So is there anything else I have to send you?
Nothing modification, and you told me one applicant address need to be
Okay.
changed
Okay.
to the
That's very
WIPO and Australia. So,
okay.
so we will ask you the date of applicant with correct with updated address. So you have to send these details and as well as your modification. These two things you need to send, and then we will send you the account details so you can make the payment and we can start the work.
Okay. So actually, my co-applicant is Nisha Joseph. The address is an Indian Kerala Engineering College address, and my address is in Oman. So the university is in Oman. So now you have to make sure that I can file in WIPO with the Oman number. I mean the Oman address.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. Is it clear?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. And even in Australia, we can do the same address.
Yeah.
Okay.
We can enter.
Okay. So how long you are into this field? I think you are a little young to be in this field.
Actually, I completed my master degree in 2010, and I almost passed 10 year in this field, and I become a registered patent agent in India 2-3 year back. So my total experience is like 10 year in this field.
Okay, okay. So almost all the people have got published and getting granted. So how long it will
Yeah,
take to
definitely.
get it granted in India?
In India, it may take 1 year, 2 year. So Indian system having different rules, and they are taking time. In Australia, it will be granted within 1 or 2 months.
Okay. And for a US, how much will be the cost for a US usually?
For US parent application.
Yes,
So
innovation.
so for US parent application, the cost is like 500, 1100 USD filing cost and 30,000 drafting cost.
Uh, how much? Drafting cost?
1100 drafting cost is 30,000 rupees and
Okay.
filing cost is 1100 USD.
1100 USD. That will be around 70, 80,000 Indian rupee.
85, 85, 90 around.
Okay, so that will be little costly. But some people told like for US it is around 2000, 2500 USD like that. Some of my
2000.
colleagues told.
Yes, yes. So we are charging like 1100 filing and 500
Ha ha ha.
for drafting. So that means 1500 we are charging, and other they are charging $2,000.
Okay. So the fees, there is no subsidy or anything like that. But because some people told the actual fees is around 400,000 Indian rupee, which will be around 2000 or 2500 USD. But we will get some subsidy on that. That is why we pay 700 or
Not
$800.
not in US, in
Mhm.
WIPO.
Oh, that's in WIPO.
That's in
Okay.
WIPO. That's
Okay.
in
For
WIPO.
US.
So I already given you 25,000 is a discounted fees in WIPO. If you are
Mhm.
filing on the company name, then it will be around 2 lakh rupees.
Okay, that's it. In the name of the company. But if the name of an individual, it will be less.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. But in the individual's address can be a company, no issue.
Address. Sorry.
The individual's address can be an
Address.
institution. That's
Address
not a
can be
problem.
anything. Not a problem.
Okay,
Address can be
okay.
anything.
Okay. So for an institution's point of view, from an institution's point of view, if suppose this is claimed by my university, is it legally possible to claim for them, or they have to file in their own name to claim that this patent is
What what
held by?
we what you can do? What we can do? You once you filed a patent application on your name, then you
Okay.
can assign that patent application to your college. So there will be a deed of assignment. So it will
Aha.
be legally transferred from you to your college. So there is no
Okay.
need to file the parent application on college name, because if you file the
Aha.
parent application on college name, then the government fees will be high. So in
Okay.
this
Okay.
case, you can transfer your right to the college.
Okay. That is something in between me and the institution. We
Yes,
can
yes,
do whatever we want.
yes.
Okay, okay. And finally, I have one more question that regarding US. Is it more challenging to get a patent granted in US than in Australia?
Yes, sure. It is more challenging to get the grant in US as compared to Australia. Definitely.
Because there will be more examination, there will be more
Yes.
questions, and
Actually,
okay.
there is this US parent system is more complex as compared to Australia as well as in India. So it is more
Ha, ha, ha.
complex as compared to in both the countries.
Okay, okay. And last thing, if we go with the same application, it is almost 1 year now. So technology is moving up every day by day. So do you think that this artificial intelligence with cryptography, we need to modify that, or we have to update it with a
Actually,
more advanced?
what what happened when you file a parent application, it is 1 year back. So
Yes.
patent office will conduct examination
Mhm.
from your earlier file date.
Okay.
You when we file a patent application, we
Mhm.
secure the date, the
Okay.
date of the invention. So this is the advantage of
Okay.
filing a patent application. So
Okay.
we
Okay.
secure the date of filing the invention.
Okay. So suppose if the Australian patent authorities, they will look into this and they will think, oh, this is 1 year old. This is already published in India 1 year back. So will they feel that it is outdated or like that?
No, 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 no. Actually, they will secure the date. They will not count the date from today. They will count the date from 1 year back.
Okay, now I am not talking about the date. I'm talking about the technology, whether they are going
No,
to
no, no.
grant a
Actually,
patent, which is
they cannot tell the technology is outdated or not. Who they are to decide the technology is outdated or not.
okay,
Getting my
okay,
point?
okay,
They
okay,
they have the duty to check the invention whether the invention is already exist before the filing date or not. If the
Mhm.
invention is not exist before the filing date, then they should grant. They don't
Okay.
have any right to think whether the technology is outdated, is working, is economical, or
Mhm.
they will you will implement or not. They don't have the right to ask.
Okay, that's it. Okay, so there might be some examinations, or do we need to face some questions from them through email or anything else?
So whenever your Indian parent application, I don't know, you filed the request for examination already, right? So the parent office will conduct examination of the parent application. They will raise objection based on whatever you have filed, whatever.
Okay,
They will not
okay.
ask any question. They will not
Mhm.
ask any question. You have to answer that question. They will raise objection on already filed document.
Okay,
Or
okay.
they may raise question. Yes, they may raise some question, so we have to answer that question at the time of when we are submitting the response to the examination.
Okay, okay. And even many other similar works can be maybe published after that also by
Yes,
some other people. Similar kind of cryptography and artificial intelligence. I think so.
can
Anyway,
you repeat your question?
see, after the topic which is getting published, my topic, maybe some other colleagues or some other people have already published similar kind of topics like
before
cryptography.
before your filing date or after your filing date?
After, even after, maybe different,
After,
but almost similar.
yeah, okay, problem.
So
Because you
maybe,
already filed the parent application and
mhm,
they publish the paper after your filing date,
after, yeah. Okay,
and
okay,
then you don't have any problem. They will have the problem. They will
okay,
have the
okay,
problem because you already secure the date.
okay, okay. So, after getting published in India, can we guarantee that the Australian authorities that this is published already in India, so no need to ask those questions? Is it so, or
No need to. Can you repeat? No need to.
no need to go for further examination because it is already published in India in that
No, no.
way?
Actually, it is not. It is not like that. Every country conduct their own examination. They don't have any relation with the other country, whether they have
Ah,
granted
okay,
or they publish whatever they have done. They have
okay,
done their own work.
okay,
Indian government has have done their own work. US government have done their own work. It is like internal feeling. Like whenever
mhm,
we file the parent application in two countries, like in US, in India, and in India, sorry, in US, it is already granted.
okay,
Let's say it is already granted in US, but in
okay,
India, it is not granted. But Indian government will conduct the process, whatever
okay.
the Indian government have. But it
Mhm.
is soft. The process will be softer because it is already granted in US. So they will conduct all the process. They cannot
Okay,
skip the process. But their
okay.
heart will be soft because it will be
Mhm.
US already granted. So let it go. So they will do
Okay,
let it go, get it
okay, okay,
granted. But they
okay,
will conduct all the process. This is formality
okay,
actually.
okay,
So they will
okay.
complete their formality.
Okay, okay. So anyway, I think we have got around 10, 15 pages. So you already went through all the 15 pages. 3 pages drawings and 10 pages complete specification and 2 pages regarding the publication and the file number and all. Total 17 pages. So you went through all the documents. Okay, so nothing is required from me. So anyway,
Yes.
I will send the address, the change of address, and we will proceed with your bank payment and all. You can send in reply after getting that email. In reply, you can send the bank details and all. So we will proceed accordingly.
Sure, sir.
Okay, okay.
Definitely.
So
So
anyway, thank you.
I will send you the account detail as well as the format for the applicant address, and you can send
Okay,
me whatever the modification you are proposing. So you can send me that
okay,
modification, and we will
okay,
start.
okay.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
okay.
Thank
So
you.
first of all, it will be WIPO, then we will go with the modification.
Whatever,
First, we will
whatever you
start
want,
with the
we can do.
WIPO. Okay,
Whatever
okay.
you want, we can do.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you. Thank you very
Thank you.
much.
Thank you.
Okay.